The Iranian Riyal itself has a long history. First introduced in 1798 during the Qajar dynasty, it later became Iran's official currency again in 1932. Today, the Central Bank of Iran oversees its creation, protecting it through layers of engineering, technology, and national policy.
Validated and traceable.
Every currency begins long before the first sheet of paper touches a printing press. Inside secure design facilities, engineers, economists, and security specialists built the blueprint of a nation's money. Here in Iran, the story of the Riyal begins not with ink, but with trust.
این ویژگی پنهان اصالت هر اسکناس رو تأیید خواهد کرد.
Transcription. The ink density looks perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The new layering technique is showing excellent results.
Reason. Transcription. The plates are ready for the press.
This high-density security ink is specifically designed to remain only within the microscopic grooves after wiping.
Make sure the pressure is calibrated for the new plate run.
Understood. Initiating calibration sequence now.
You can really feel the difference in the texture here.
Yes, the raised ink is very clear.
Okay, check the alignment of the fibers. Looks good under the UV.
Everything looks good on this end.
Hold on, I think I see something here.
All systems are nominal.
Agreed, the batch is clear.
Okay, the microprint isn't resolving and the UV fluoresces incorrectly here and here.
Definitely not a match to the control.
Noted.
Everything looks good on this batch.
Agreed. All security features verified.
Currency validated and traceable.
Keep an eye on batch 7.
Noticing a few misalignments.
Transcription. The encryption sequence is holding steady. Good.
Monitor for any anomalies in the alphanumeric generation.
Shipment 47B. Confirm codes.
Codes confirmed. Proceed with verification.
Transcription. The patisserie transcription. The precision of the cut is critical for security.
Agreed. These readings look perfect.